How to add CSS to HTML in Visual Studio Code. In today's video, I'll show you how to add CSS to your HTML file in Visual Studio Code. Let's make your web page look great. First, open Visual Studio Code on a device. You'll see this welcome page. Open your HTML folder. Now create a file named index.html. Here I have already created one. Now create a second file named style.css, or you can give the file name as you want. This is where your CSS styles will go. Inside your HTML file, you need to add the line link relation stylesheet, and on href you need to type in your CSS file name. Now next step is to add some CSS. In the CSS file, let's add a quick style. Now save both files and open index.html in your browser. If you have live server installed, just right click and hit open with live server, which is generally on the bottom right corner. And that's it. This is how you can link CSS to your HTML in Visual Studio Code. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.